Hey everyone, if NotebookLM is not working for you in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you the most effective solutions to fix loading issues, upload errors, AI response problems, and other common NotebookLM issues. NotebookLM issues can include loading failures, document upload errors, missing AI responses, processing problems, or login issues. Start by making sure your internet connection is stable and working properly. Many temporary NotebookLM issues can be fixed by simply refreshing the page. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account and that your session hasn't expired. Corrupted browser data can prevent NotebookLM from working correctly. Clear your cache and cookies. Extensions such as ad blockers, privacy tools, and script blockers can interfere with NotebookLM. Open NotebookLM in an incognito or private browsing window to test whether extensions or cached data are causing the problem. If uploads are failing, make sure your files are supported and not corrupted. Using an outdated browser can cause compatibility problems with NotebookLM. Sometimes the issue may be on Google's side. Check if NotebookLM services are experiencing temporary outages. If NotebookLM still isn't working, try using a different browser or device to identify whether the issue is device-specific. For the best experience, keep your browser updated, use stable internet, and avoid uploading damaged files. A common mistake is repeatedly re-uploading files when the real issue is a browser extension or temporary service problem, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix NotebookLM not working in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.